Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and feeling your best every day. Today, we're talking about lemon water, that simple yet powerful drink that so many people swear by. But is it really that good for you? And how does it help with detox and digestion? Let's break it down. First, it supports natural detoxification. First things first, your body is already great at detoxing on its own, thanks to your liver and kidneys. But lemon water? It gives them an extra boost. Lemons contain citrus flavonoids, which help flush out toxins and support liver function. Plus, drinking more water in general helps remove waste from your body and keeps everything running smoothly. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support detoxification, lemon water is a great place to start. Second, it aids in digestion. Ever feel bloated after a meal? Lemon water can help. The citric acid in lemons stimulates digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. It also encourages bile production, which is essential for digesting fats. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can kickstart your digestive system, helping prevent bloating, gas, and constipation. Third, it boosts hydration. Hydration is key to good digestion and detoxification. But let's be honest, plain water can get boring. Adding lemon gives it a refreshing twist, making it easier to drink more throughout the day. Proper hydration keeps your gut healthy, supports kidney function, and helps flush out toxins. Plus, staying hydrated improves your skin, energy levels, and overall health. Fourth, it promotes gut health. Did you know lemon water can help balance your gut microbiome? Lemons contain prebiotics, which feed the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut equals better digestion, improved immunity, and even better mood. Fifth, it provides vitamin C for immunity. Bonus benefit: lemon water is packed with vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant supports your immune system, fights free radicals, and promotes glowing skin. Just one lemon gives you about 30 to 40% of your daily vitamin C needs. Now let's discuss how to make the perfect lemon water. First, squeeze half a lemon into warm or room temperature water, then drink it first thing in the morning for the best digestion benefits. You can also add a little honey or ginger for extra health perks. Lemon water is a simple, natural way to support detox, aid digestion, and keep you hydrated. While it's not a miracle cure, making it a daily habit can have real health benefits. Do you drink lemon water? Have you noticed any benefits? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from Health Options 101. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video.